Hey everybody, well it's that time of year again. Gotta get these duals put on the tractor here. I got the spacers put back on already by myself, but I gotta get the tire company out to put the tires on for me. I don't have the right equipment here. And I park my equipment here at a neighbor's place that lets me use his shed. I don't have a shed of my own, so that looks better. I guess I'm pretty much ready whenever the weather turns. Still had a bit of snow today. Either the cultivator or the disc.
Like this, because to us it represents the very core of the market.
Okay, just hang on a second. Of course, we practice and we try everything out 10 times over. I'm starting my gimbal here, so just give me a second, I'm sorry. In my engine and transmission menu here, some mechanical stuff. I'm just gonna find my front suspension here, far right. So I can either just tap it here and then tap whatever box highlighted to green. I see there's nothing assigned here on these two boxes, so I'm just going to tap it there.
All right, so that might be useful if I'm going to keep referencing a snowblower because that's what I'm imagining I have in the back of my tractor right now. If your snowblower PTO shaft angle gets too